fam, it's Darkrise, and today, as you saw by the title of the video, we're going to be installing a Meth tune, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install a tune onto your Kia. So 2021 is over, and I'm able to finally remove two of my goals that I've had from 2021, and it was reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to you guys, I was able to accomplish that goal, and I also created my own brand, which is KDM Belt. Let's see if we could hit 5,000 subscribers before half of this year. I want to say a quick thank you to everyone who has entered the $300 giveaway and helped keep this channel alive. Without you guys, I'm not able to be here and record, so I just gotta say thank you to everyone who has entered. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of today's video, so make sure you guys stay till the end. That way you guys can see if you guys won the giveaway. I gotta go drop off some merch before we start today's video. Seen last week's video, we finally finished up the Meth and we have it ready and set to go for tuning today. Hey fam, I just gotta say thank you real quick to all those who have ordered the sweaters. I'm shipping them out today. Make sure you guys get your guys' sweaters on the site. So we're going to be installing KSR's Meth tune. That way we could see and feel how much difference it is when having a proper tune. So when you get the KSR tune, you could apply the same instructions and the way I do it with your guys' tune, or you could have Chris from KSR Performance screen share your guys' computer and he'll install the tune for you. But you don't really need any modifications to your engine bay. If you guys have your stock intake, it actually runs much cooler because this actually gets more heat compared to the box intake. That one gets straight cold air and it helps keep away the heat from the battery as well as the engine bay. So remember, no matter what tune you get from KSR, it's gonna be the same way to install it. It's very easy. Now let me show you guys exactly how easy it is to install a tune onto your Kia. Well, it's official fam, I'm partnering with KSR Performance to get you guys 10% off anything on the site, from big turbo kit to a tune, which you guys need to get, especially if you're watching this video. So make sure you guys use code RISEKSR and get yourself 10% off on anything you purchase on the site. Remember, use code RISEKSR and get yourself 10% off anything on the site. So this is what you're going to need in order to tune. So KSR will send you over his Tatrix. This is what flashes into the ECU of the car, as well as sending you this USB here. He's going to send you instructions on how to do it. You do need access to Wi-Fi because there are a couple things you need to download in order to install this tune. Here's the instructions. First things first, we're going to download this drive here. Here's the drive. We're going to click install. Yes. So that is going to be for this USB here. Once it finishes installing, you're gonna plug in the USB to the port of your computer. Now we have to download and install the PCM flash. Here I have it installed. Basically just click those links or copy and paste them onto the site. They're gonna download automatically. You're gonna click open. Once everything's installed, you're gonna wanna open the PCM flash. It'll be that one here. You're gonna wanna make sure that the open port Tatrix 2.0 is selected for your interface or tool. Now from here, you're gonna scroll down until you find Kia. And once you find Kia, he's gonna tell you which file that you need to install. You'll also need a USB that's able to transfer data. Going to connect the USB onto the laptop. Once you have the Tatrix connected to your laptop, we're going to remove this and we're going to get into the ECU. Now we're going to turn the car into accessory mode. Car is on accessory mode. I'm going to unplug everything that drains battery. That way I make sure this does not die on me. We're going to connect this dongle onto the USB port. There we go. And from here, we're just going to click read. Now it's going to start reading the car. So it's currently reading the ECU right now. We're at about 81%. It does take a while. I'm probably already 20 minutes in. So you want to make sure your guys' battery is pretty pretty charged. So you want to make sure you drive around for about 15 minutes. Once it's done, it's going to say it was complete. You're going to click save and okay. And okay. Turn ignition switch off. So what you're just doing there is saving the file of your ECU. You're gonna send it over to KSR Performance via email, and he's gonna switch a couple things up for you, and then he's gonna send you that file back, and then you install that, and that is your tune.
I have them read me the file. I modify that file and send it back to them.
Okay.
So that's for me to get their file, customize their file, send it back to them with a new file.
So once this is complete, is there any other steps I should do?
No, you just be able to write the car and it'll go through the process. And then you shut it off when it's done, exit the program, and then attempt to start the car to make sure the file wrote correctly.
Okay. I'll let you know if I get stuck.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
All
yeah,
right.
I'm available, so if you need to call, just go ahead and call.
Okay, thank you, Chris.
Oh, no problem at all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So if you do get stuck and Chris is available, you're able to give him a call. He's very helpful. As you see, he's very patient for someone like me who's not that educated in tuning. I'd assume some of you guys as well. He's very patient. As long as he's not busy, he's going to be able to answer your call. Just make sure you are contacting him beforehand, letting him know that you're going to be doing the tune, or you guys schedule the day that you both will be available to do so. Don't just give him a random call saying like, hey, I got the thing, I'm ready to tune. Make sure you get your guys' tune and you let him know and inform him, and then he could schedule something in which if you get stuck or you don't feel comfortable doing it on your own, he could help you via phone call. I just suggest trying it yourself first, making sure you do all the steps correctly, just like the way I demonstrated in the video, and it should be ready and set to go. This car is almost done getting tuned. He did send me the file over. What you did beforehand was getting your file, and he's gonna read your file. He's gonna tune it. He's gonna do his magic on there, and then he'll resend you that file in which you're gonna write back into your vehicle. You want to make sure everything, all the settings are correct beforehand, and then you guys' car is tuned, and you guys are gonna now be under KSR Performance tune, and you're gonna feel the difference right away. While the car is getting tuned, you're gonna see your guys' display start flickering and going crazy. That's how you know if the tune's going good. You're gonna see this check BSD system. You just want to make sure, like I said, you have enough battery, because the process is some time consuming, and you want to make sure you don't get stuck either. Completed. The car is done, completed successfully. We're gonna press OK, and we're gonna press OK, and from here the car should be done. We're gonna turn off the car completely, open this door, because for some reason if you turn off the car and you don't open the door, the car's still on the same setting. So you're gonna open the door, wait about 10 seconds, maybe 30 on the safe side, and then turn on the car and go for a drive and make sure everything's working properly. We're gonna test it out right now. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head. I wanna take this car out to Mexico, so we're probably gonna head down to, let's say we're going to Oaxaca today, so we're gonna head down to Oaxaca, and we're gonna see how this car performs now with the Meth tune and Methanol. Before we head out to Mexico, we gotta get some meth. So to make sure the car's running properly, I suggest getting one of these OBD links via Bluetooth. You're able to see exactly what the car is reading and how the car is performing with just one of these right here. I'm able to screen record exactly everything that's going on with my car and send it over to KSR, so to make sure that everything is running properly and that everything's dialed in. First start, here we go. Sport mode. Oh shit. The car already feels really different and I haven't gone under throttle. These streets in Mexico are really bad, so I'm gonna find a good spot where there's not a lot of bumps. God damn. All right, I'm gonna screen record this. Gonna send this log over to KSR to make sure everything is fine and running perfectly. We're gonna get to 4th gear. Traction control off. Fourth gear, fuck it, 3rd gear. Here we go. Oh, fuck, that shit's... Dude, that's a difference right there. Oh my god. Dude, that is crazy, bro. Oh my god, that is instant. Yo, Meth makes such a huge difference. I gotta say that the Meth tune now, I mean, you know, being on Meth, it's game changer. I highly recommend you guys install methanol onto your car. It's a game changer, guys. I'm not kidding you guys, it feels so much different. I feel like I'm always in boost just from driving right now. I feel like I'm always in boost. I barely touch the gas and it's so responsive. It's totally different, guys. I highly recommend it. Guys, install methanol and get your guys' Meth tune from KSR. This thing is crazy. Time for a rowdy pool. Here we go. Jesus. Oh my gosh, that was freaking crazy, dude. Oh my gosh, that is fast. With a little bit of tire swirl right there. This might need some bigger tires, guys. We're already on 265s and this thing's already squealing. Oh man, that was fun. All right, gotta log that and send it over to Chris. Make sure everything's running properly. Oh my gosh. That was a full pull right there, guys. This thing is, oh my gosh, I'm speechless. Methanol tune, boys. Game changer. This thing is wild. Oh my gosh, this thing is wild, bro. Oh, and I thought my car was already fast before. I can't wait to see what the big turbo kit's going to do. Oh man. And guys, if you guys are still here, I actually got an upgraded intake manifold, so stay tuned for that because I'm gonna be very excited to install that one. Alright you guys, it's time to announce who the $300 giveaway winner is, but before I get to that, I want to say a quick thank you to everybody who has entered and supported the channel. Because of you guys, I'm able to film and make videos like the video we made today, so thank you once again for shopping and supporting the channel. I have everybody's names listed here, as well as the amount of entries they got with a total of 528 entries. So thank you guys once again. Let's enter full screen. It's time to see who the $300 giveaway winner is. Congratulations, Michael Quartz, on the $300 giveaway. So congratulations, Michael Quartz, on the $300. By now, or by the time you're watching today's video, you would have already received the $300 via email or phone call. However, we would have either Venmoed it to you or PayPal. But I want to say thank you for entering, as well as everybody else who has entered. It really helps out a lot. If you guys like today's video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe. It really helps out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.